Hello, are you ready for this particular feed formula you're asking for? Yes, the feed formula that gave me this amazing result. I want to give you the formula. For those of you that are asking questions on the comment section, this particular feed contains crude protein, 24% crude protein, fat 6%, energy 3,200 calories per kilogram. It contains calcium 1.03%, and it contains available phosphorus 1.04 and calcium 1.03. Here in this particular feed, super starter, giving amazing results. At least 4 kg in 6 weeks, 5 kg in 7 weeks, 6 kg in 8 weeks. That is exactly what you're going to get if you apply this formula with all that good biosecurity and management skills. Yellow corn for super starter here 50 kg, rice bran 6 kg, corn bran 5 kg, groundnut cake 16 kg, 72% crude protein fish meal, imported fish meal. You can still use crude feed 7 kg, blood meal, animal blood meal, that is 5 kg, bone meal 4 kg, premise 0.3 kg, methionine 0.2 kg, then lysine 0.2 kg, salt 0.3 kg. All these are under 100% feed. If you want to go for 1,001 ton, multiply these particular ingredients times 10. That's how you get 1 ton of feed. This feed is cheap and it also gives you amazing output. Then I used super starter, grower and finisher. They are on finisher right away, and this feed does not contain too much of fat. It gives them the average fat they need, not the kind of chicken you slaughter and you get fat. You cook it, you see oil everywhere. No, this is complete feed for maximum meat. You get quality meat, that tasty meat, because everything is fully organic, natural. All the ingredients we use are natural ingredients. Here is the grower feed. Corn, yellow corn also is what I made use of. 55 kg, rice bran 14 kg, corn bran 5 kg, pancake cake 3 kg, groundnut cake 12 kg, fish meal 4 kg, blood meal 3 kg, bone meal 3 kg, premise 0.3 kg, lysine 0.25, methionine 0.25, and salt is 0.25. All this is under 16% crude protein, fat is 5.02, then energy is 2,682, while calcium is 1.25. All these are what I made use of. That's in the finisher feed. The finisher feed is 20% crude protein, fat is 5%, fiber is 5%, metabolizable energy is 3,100 calories per kilogram, then calcium is 1%, the available phosphorus is 0.45%. I made use of yellow corn A60. Yellow corn is 58%. Soya bean meal SBM is 13% or 13 kg. Either you use percentage or kg, because I'm working under 100 kg, that's why I'm using percentage. Then groundnut cake 8 kg, fish meal 72% fish meal, I use 2 kg, pancake cake 8 kg, animal blood meal I use 1 kg, wheat offal I use 3 kg, then bone meal I use 2 kg, lysine I use 0.12, methionine 0.25, premise 0.25, and toxic binder I use 0.25, enzyme 0.2 kg. All these are what I made use of in producing the particular feed that's giving me amazing results, and I'm still going to continue to make use of this good feed for more time. If you're interested in making this feed, this is exactly what you're going to do. Copy out these ingredients one after the other and make use of them in producing your own feed. You get amazing results. If this particular video interests you and you are ready to go in, make sure you have the feed alone cannot give you maximum results. One, you must get a very good breed of chicken, quality breed. If you are buying broiler, buy from a reputable company, a reputable hatchery that will give you a quality chicken, not weak chicken that will come up high in your farm, or that you continue spending money on medications from day one to the end. The more too much of antibiotics you give to your poultry birds, the more they become weak, and the more you continue spending, and the more they will not give you maximum results. Don't worry, in the next video I'm going to give you the effect of using antibiotics in poultry farming instead of organic. I'll give it to you in next video. Please watch that video and you get the best result so that you know what antibiotics is doing in your poultry farm, what is causing you. Give your best organic substance. If you don't have available ones, use our Eco Bio Booster to give you a maximum result. This is probiotic. It is organic tea for your poultry birds. It takes care of your head, give them solid head from the beginning to the end. Only vaccinate your birds and continue making results from day one till market time. You will not have any issue in your poultry birds. It reduces the cost of feeding, so you feed them less and they give you maximum result. It enhances egg production and growth rate in poultry, and most especially for layers. It fights internal parasites. It has internal beneficial macronutrients like bacteria that are built in this particular product. It's go there and stand and cover the whole system and fight the external bacteria. That's why they hardly contact infection when you're using the particular product. It fights the external bacteria, which is a harmful bacteria. It fights them totally and remove them from the system, from the gut system, and cleanses the body system of your poultry and livestock animals. It fights internal parasites. It enriches gut microbiomes with probiotics. It detoxifies liver and blood, and it treats coccidiosis, diarrhea, and respiratory symptoms. It promotes meat quality and weight gain. The taste of your poultry meat will be different from the one you use synthetic. It promotes meat quality and weight gain, stimulates appetite and water intake, and reduces ammonia smell in droppings. Your poultry house will be very neat. You can even find your chicken just behind your house. You will not even notice that there is a farm there. If the diseases can hardly attack your poultry birds. So naturally, they are immune boosted to fight the external diseases. So no disease comes into them. So once they use it on daily basis, your poultry chicken will hardly have any infection at all because they are already boosted and they are strong to fight any external bacteria. So they hardly contact. Keep good biosecurity, vaccinate them, and make use of this product. Don't give them any water without this product. You get amazing results. Thank you for watching this video till now. Please like this video, give it a thumb up, share the video to reach more poultry and livestock farmers. You are going to enjoy the product if you can order today and tomorrow. We have only few left for now. 50k, 5 liters. That's all. You pay for your weight bill, we send it to your state. As all these ones are going there immediately, these ones are going there tomorrow morning. You can see them. They're all going tomorrow morning. And by this time tomorrow, they already received it. Except the one going to Accra. That one takes at least up to 1 week before it can reach them. The product lasts for over 4 years because it has a built-in natural preservative. It has life inside it going on. There's life going on. This to your poultry birds, please don't skip any day at all. Continue from day one till you dispose that chicken to the market so that you get the best result. Don't economize, give accurate dosage and make sure it is consistent till they go to the market. You get wonderful result that will even amaze you. Even your neighbors, they will also order for this booster for it because good biosecurity, good breed of chicken, and good management skills will give you accurate results. Use this particular feed and give me a reply on the comment section. Do you have these raw materials in your area, or are you finding it difficult to get any of these raw materials? Please let me know on the comment section. Let's discuss further. And do you want to make your own feed and find it difficult? Let me know on the comment section also. Is there anything bothering you in feed making? Let me know on the comment section. Or do you want us to produce the feed for you? Let us discuss on the comment section. If you have any question regarding this video or any other video, and if this video interests you, give it a thumb up, like, share, and comment. Drop a comment on the comment section and share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Thank you. Subscribe to our both channels, Dr. Leonard Charles and the Poultry Site TV. All are our channels where we discuss everything concerning poultry and livestock, both the feed and how to make profit from your farming operations. Don't go away. Stay tuned to this particular channel and the other channels till the next video is uploaded. For now, till then, I say bye.